Everyone.
Hi everybody. Today is the 21st of August 2017 and there's so many bugs out here. We're just outside observing the skies for the famous solar eclipse, and it was a little bit gloomy but not really dark like we expected. It was a little gloomy and dim, but then I was reading the book of Mark chapter 15 verse 33 all the way down. I just wanted to tell someone out there that for me this event that is just happening is very symbolic because it reminds me of that time when Jesus was being crucified. Jesus was crucified on the third hour, and on the sixth hour darkness filled the land, and that went 3 hours into the ninth hour, and then on the ninth hour Jesus, in a loud voice, said, my God, why have you forsaken me?" And that's about the time he was getting ready to give up the ghost and die. So this is symbolic because this is a great man of God, and he's taken away the sins of the world. But then what struck me is the darkness that came, and I kept asking myself, why was there darkness in that time? Why was there a need for darkness in that time? And maybe an impression came to my heart that that darkness was symbolic. God used this to symbolize the kind of darkness that Jesus took. It's like God took the darkness of this world, the sin, because the depth of sin is to God is darkness. He took the darkness of this world and slapped it in the heart of Christ, and it weighed him so heavy that he felt it. He felt left. He felt forsaken. He felt abandoned by light. Like light disappeared, and God is light, and light disappeared from him, and all he could see was the darkness, and he felt the darkness, and it weighed him down to die, to even death. And it makes me grieve because this is one man. This is just one man. This is not a whole nation. This is one man standing in the gap of death, of bearing sin for the whole humanity. Like every single soul of man on this planet, this man took the sins of and bore it. And it's amazing. So anyway, as you look up the sky, I just want you to remember that it's getting dark and dark, but maybe not as dark as we expect it to be. But always be reminded of Christ and how much he bore our sins and how much he took your darkness. God bless you and have a nice day.
Bye. I have the greatest video bomb. Bye.